Hello everybody, this is Monty with Flowers by the Bunch. Today we're going to make a very simple centerpiece for your table using some faux greenery, a beautiful red poinsettia, and a dough bowl. These dough bowls are available in our Shopify website, but I wanted to show you a really simple Christmas arrangement using things that you might have at home. So we're starting out with a dough bowl. You can use any shape. It does not have to be this oval, but this is just a wooden dough bowl we had here at the shop. Now what I'm going to do is we have some pretty red poinsettias available, and this one was so pretty. Now often when we make a poinsettia to go out, we will drop that pretty plant right down into a basket. It's nice if you're going to use a wooden surface to be sure that your plant is covered so that it doesn't get water in your bowl. So if it has a pot cover, if you pick it up at your local grocery store or big box store, they usually come covered. So just be sure that it has a good cover, that it'll collect the water. And I like that it has, the basket's nice, so I don't mind the basket there at all. If you want to drop it into a pretty planter, you absolutely can. I think that would look lovely. But I'm just setting it in the center of my dough bowl. And then I'm gonna take a couple of pieces of styrofoam. If you don't have the foam, you do not have to use them. The styrofoam is just going to give me a little bit easier way to design the faux greenery. But if you don't have the styrofoam, it's completely okay. Now, to cover that foam, I'm just going to take a little bit of moss. I have this sheet moss in our back room. And so I'm just going to take it and kind of cover that foam because, number one, I like this pretty green. Number two, I don't want that green foam to show. So if you have Spanish moss or sheet moss or any of the moss, it's just, it just helps to camouflage that not so pretty foam. And honestly, it's pretty in your bowl. So you can take it and just add it kind of all the way around that basket or that container, and it just looks pretty. Now be careful when you're working with this moss. It's messy, okay? So just remember how messy it is. Okay, I've got my moss in place. Next, what I'm going to do is we have these pretty stems. These are they almost look like mistletoe, these little mistletoe stems. Now I'm just going to take it and I'm going to press it right down into that foam. Now you're going to see how it's going to give me some dimension. It's not going to be so flat as if I just laid it down into this container. When you lay them down into the container, it's just real flat. But if that's the only way you can do it, you absolutely can. It's still a very lovely design either way. But I'm just taking these stems and pressing them right down into that foam to give us just a little bit of height and dimension to the arrangement. And you can really use any type of greens. It doesn't have to be this pretty sparkly greenery. It can absolutely be natural greens. Even if you wanted to go out and cut greenery, you absolutely could. It would be the same effect. If you wanted to go cut some magnolia, it would look lovely. So I'm just going on both sides with those greens, and I'm just pressing them right down into that foam. So you can see it's a very simple design. And the nice part about using artificial stems is you can bend them. They all have wire, right? And so they're very easy to bend and to put in the place you want them to be. Okay, and then next I had a little bit of artificial, I think this might be cedar. And I'm just going to take those stems. Now you can trim them if you want to. They've kind of got long stems. I'm just going to kind of tuck those right down into that foam also, just to give us some fullness. Forgive that I left the tags on these, but I just kind of wanted to, I want to be able to put them back out on the floor, but I just kind of wanted to show you how simply you can just add greens and foliage to a dough bowl, and how lovely of an arrangement it makes. Now you can also do the same with your poinsettia plant. If your poinsettia isn't as full, and it doesn't even have to be a poinsettia, you could use an amaryllis bulb. They're so beautiful this time of year. You could fill this dough bowl with amaryllis, and you know they bloom at different times. You could put 2 or 3 different plants into this dough bowl and arrange it just exactly like this. But if you wanted to, you could add this greenery right down around the base of that plant to kind of fill it up. If it looks a little sparse to you, just add some greens all the way around that plant. If you want to add ribbon, you absolutely can. You can tie a pretty bow and put a pretty bow on your plant. But you can see all I'm doing is kind of going all the way around that plant and taking these little cedar branches and just tucking them all the way around just to kind of give us some fullness. You can absolutely use fresh for this because we have many times added fresh. Then if you have any ornaments, so I have this large tub of Christmas ornaments, you can take those and fill in any of that empty space. So look at how simply designed this arrangement is, and you can absolutely use things that you have at your home to very simply arrange something for your dining table. Again, be creative. Have fun. It doesn't take a whole lot. You can pick up a poinsettia at the local grocery store or one at your local florist. But very, very simple, very easy. And again, these are all just faux stems, but fresh is beautiful also. Guys, thank you for being here. If you have any questions about how we do things at Flowers by the Bunch, please let us know. We would love to answer your questions. And if you have any suggestions for what you might want to see on one of these videos, please drop that in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button right down below. And if you'll hit that little bell, it'll give you notifications for when we have a brand new video. Thanks, guys. See you soon.